little dancer came dancing to my door. Last night a little angel came calling on the floor. She said, "Come baby, you got a license for love, and if it expires, pray help from above, because in the midnight hour she cried more, more, more. With a rebel yell, she cried more, more, more. In the midnight hour, more, more, more. With a rebel yell, more, 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 more. She don't like staying, she wants to love it. But when I'm tired and lonely, she sees me struggling. What set you free? What did you mean? What set you free? I need you here by me, because in the midnight hour she cried more, more, more. With a rebel yell, she cried more, more, more. Wow! In the midnight hour, babe, more, more, more. With a rebel yell, more, more, more. He lives in his own heaven. He likes it to go from 7-Eleven. Well, he's out all night to collect it. Late night breaks, I hear the tires squeal. Red light can't stop, so I spin the wheel. My world goes black before I feel an angel lift me up, and I open bloodshot eyes into fluorescent white. Flip the siren, hit the lights, close the doors, and I am gone. Now I lay here owing my life to a stranger, and I realize that empty words are not enough. Left you with the question of just what if I to show except the promises I never kept. I lie here shaking on this bed until the weight of my regrets. I hope that I will never let you down. I know that this can be more than just flashing lights and sounds. Look around and you see that at times it feels like no one really cares. Get me down, but I'm still gonna try to do what's right. Know that there's a difference between sleight and hand. Giving everything you have, there's a line drawn in the sand. We're working up the will to cross it, and I hope that I will never let you down. I know.
Too many fucking goons.